In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on this Ford F-350. Both passenger and driver side take 22-inch blades. Let's get started. To begin, lift up the wiper arm into the straight up position. To remove your existing wiper blade, you could do this different ways depending on the blade you have. Sometimes you have to pinch a couple tabs here, sometimes you pry down here. Other times there is even a cap that allows you to lock and unlock the wiper blade. For me, it's just a simple press tab right here. I'm going to press down on it and pull the wiper blade down by wiggling it right off of the wiper arm. Sometimes they get a little bit stuck, but just be careful. At this point, once this is off, do not let go of the wiper arm because if it falls, it will hit the windshield and crack it. Here's your wiper blade. With the new wiper blade ready to go, line it up, hook it on, and press it until it clips and locks in. Now gently put the wiper arm down and do the same on the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.